When a big storm comes in and the temperatures drop, it's time to pick an indoor project. Let's get started. Well, today we're going to refurbish some fab tables. Now these fab tables are going to go outside for our projects when we're doing things outside. And we picked these up on a auction, very cheap, 40 bucks a piece. And we're just going to plate the top of these and see how it goes. Hello everybody, this is Alan here on the Craft and Recreation YouTube channel. Stay with us and we're going to put some fab tables together. 2'10". 5 foot. And then we'll do an overlap of 2 inches on each end. So 4, 2'10" plus 4 will be 3'2", 5'4". There's our plate size. Okay, we got a hair lip on this piece of metal here, so it's going to be 3'1 1/4". And our bench is running 2'10". 2'10". So our overlap is going to be 3 1/4 divided by 2. 1 5/8" overlap on the sides. Be some ice in this line. Got some rubber seats in there. You got to be careful not to burn them out. I've been pushing air in my big volume tank outside. Look at that water drip out of there. Yeah, see there? That's why it won't go on. Hope I didn't burn them seats out of there. Okay. We got a knockout pot here for the air. When this thing turns red, you have to replace it. It never has though. There we go. Now we're in business. It's cold outside. It's like 14 degrees. And then I was pushing all that air and it made a lot of water. What we're using here today is a Hypertherm 45 XP. And this thing will cut up to about a 1/2 inch thick, but it's just a little bit rough. Its sweet spot is 3/8 of an inch plate or down. So today what we're doing is we're cutting about a 1/8 inch plate here. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut it out just a little bit bigger than that tabletop right there. We're going to flip these tables upside down and weld this plate, tack weld it around the edges there. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do any more to these tables. They're just kind of a makeshift outside table where I can throw tools on it, throw stuff on it, build things. We're getting ready to build another dock, so it'll just help us organize our work outside. So let's get to it. There's one other thing too I'd like to talk about is this Hypertherm face shield, and I do wear my safety glasses as well, but it's got a flip up lid there. That way the brightness of the cut can be shielded from your eyes. And if you need a clear vision, you can flip it up. So it's a really handy little tool. A little device there where you can flip it up and flip it down and have a clear vision. All right, let's get to cutting. As you see here, I've got a 1/2 inch setback, and I've set some angle iron there for a straight edge to get a good straight cut on this. Here we got 45 amps, and that's based on about 1/2 inch plate. So being that we're going to cut 16th inch plate, we're going to turn this down to about 30 amps. And you can see right here we have this yellow light flashing here. That means there's no air. So what I've done is I forgot to turn the air on when I plugged it in. So we're going to go plug the air into it and we're going to get started. Jack's frozen. I just brought it from outside. It's got water in it. Handy little tool.